In 2017, the global annual output of forgings reached 26.5 million tons, 90% of which were hot die forgings, undergoing high-temperature deformation process such as final forging, trimming, and heat treatment. The forming accuracy of hot die forgings is hardly controlled. Taking 3D measurement of hot forgings in the forming process can help improve forming accuracy. First, it's hard to obtain accurate 3D data under harsh working conditions, such as high temperature and vibration. Second, it's difficult to automatically plan the multi-view measurement viewpoint of complex die forgings. Third, it's detrimental to the automatic data processing due to the complicated background of industrial site. Firstly, the equipment adopts a cooling system to actively dissipate heat and IRCF to ensure the stable scanning process. Projection acceleration and parameter self-calibration are carried out to make the probe work normally under high temperature and vibration. Then, an algorithm of viewpoint generation and path planning is proposed to automatically generate the optimal viewpoint and obtain all features to save scanning time. Lastly, the hand-eye calibration is used for raw point cloud registration. The consistency algorithm based on random sampling of features is for preliminary process registration, and the ICP algorithm based on adaptive threshold is for the final process registration and removal of background noise to obtain the accurate 3D sizes. Based on the three innovations above, a series of online automatic 3D measurement equipment for hot die forgings has been successfully developed. For the first time in the world, the online 3D full inspection of die forgings at 1100 degrees has been realized. Spends 2 minutes for a single piece. The qualified rate of products is increased by more than 10%, while the processing allowance is reduced by more than 5%. The measurement data can optimize design and forming process of hot die forgings, which significantly improves intelligent level of production line. It has been applied to more than 300 world-renowned manufacturers of key components for high-end equipment in fields of aviation, aerospace, and automobiles, etc. It has been granted with 5 patents, won the first prize of China Machinery Industry Science and Technology Award, and topped at the China 10 Scientific and Technological Developments in Intelligent Manufacturing.